A repeating blur in an LTX video can happen before H.264 or YouTube touches the file. The generic tiled VAE decoder created a visible seam every 56 frames in these tests, about 2.3 seconds at 24 FPS. Watch the left side pulse while the weighted LTX decoder on the right stays continuous. The model, prompts, seeds, 8+3 steps, and source frames are otherwise controlled. I repeated the comparison on Loom Detail, a crisp LoRa run, the Wolf control, and motion enhancer. The fix uses the official LTX spatiotemporal decoder with 16 latent frames, 4 frames of temporal overlap, and weighted blending. It took longer and reached roughly 31 GB of VRAM on the RTX 5090, but the periodic seams disappeared. Use the weighted LTX node when long motion must stay continuous.